Today I'm finna be changing the heater core on the Olds. You understand me? Look at the heater core right here, the new one. That's the one we finna be putting in. Get that old one up out of there. You understand me? We need some heat. Got the hoses. This is what I was waiting on right here. I needed some seal. I couldn't find none of the parts stores in town. So now I just got that. We can go on and throw that thing in there. You get what I'm saying? So let's go and get to it. Alright, so first what I'm gonna need to do, man, is I'm gonna have to take these wipers off so I can get to this plate right here. Because I gotta take all these screws off right here along there to get this plate off. And once I get the plate off, then it's gonna be more screws back behind here that I gotta remove to get this screen piece right here off. It's all kind of bolts around here that I gotta undo to get this cover off too. So let's get to popping these wipers off. Alright, so I just got that blade took off. Now I'm finna start removing all these bolts right there across there, and then I'm gonna come back and start removing all the ones along here. I think I'm gonna have to move this up out of here too. See which ones we gotta get now. I see one here. 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 Oh, so yeah, it looked like this cover only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna have to see though. One more right here. Damn. We're gonna have to clean that off. Set that right there. Now I gotta go all the way around here and get these screws out for this cover. So let me start removing these ones, and then I'll switch. Let's start going around. Alright, we got those up out there. Now we gotta move on to these small ones. Yeah, dig? Yeah. Let me get the long socket out. Alright, so I had to undo a couple of these connections right here too. These ones go to the blower motor. I don't exactly know what that one is. And I got the screws from around this side. I had to undo this too. So now I'm finna get the rest of them and pop off this top. I gotta be careful though, cause I heard there's some thin spots that can crack. So I gotta lift it straight up and off. So we gonna get to it, man. Okay, so now I got all them screws out. I'm finna have to try to break all this old seal loose all around it. I'm having a hard time right now without cracking any of this cover. Alright, so I end up having to remove these brackets too. So I can get to the because the box wouldn't come up past them. So set them to the side. Now I'm gonna try to see if this, because I got it popped loose. It's just getting it past right here. Let me see. Getting that cover off was no joke, bro. For real. So, I got the cover off. Man. And it's dirty as hell down in there, too. So this is where I need that seam sealer. All back around here. I have to seal all that back up. I got a tear and I'm gonna seam seal that too. Oh, back there. But I'm gonna have to vacuum this out real quick. So I'm finna vacuum this out. Then I'm gonna pull out that old heater core and drop that fresh new one in there, man.